They say that when one of your senses is dulled or absent, other senses pick up the slack. When we are left without sight, our hearing should guide us. And no, we don't have Geordi's visor to help. Let's let our ears guide us through the soundscape of Star Trek Con in a few key moments of audio without any visual aid. Get ready for total blackness. Of course, there are massive spoilers beyond this point. Richter fights.
But I need you to come back to me. Okay? Richter? Hi.
Where?
You're home. You're safe. It's all going to be okay now. How do you feel? Do you need anything?
No, please.
Ow, Richter. Richter, that hurts, please. Ow, you're hurting me.
Fight. Come. Fight.
Stop. Get off Richter! What the?
Dear gods! Silvana! No!
The launch.
I cannot forgive you, Ivan. Because I cannot blame you for being what you are. What they made both of us to be. Fly, little goddess. Fly. See the stars.
Phaser cutting through the gunfire.
Ready rifles! Weapons ready! Fire! Reload!
The bullets are bouncing right off him.
He's charging! My lord, look out! What the hell was that? Marla?
Can we go home now?
Meteor showers.
Computer, pause. Open a channel to Ensign Tuvok.
How may I assist you, Dr. Lear?
This may sound like a strange question, Ensign, but does it rain in space?
The SETI Alpha system is subject to frequent micrometeor showers. No doubt the result of...
The untimely explosion of one of the planets 26 years ago?
Indeed.
Doesn't this ship have shields?
It does. However, Captain Sulu ordered them reduced to minimal strength. I believe he finds the sound soothing.
I can't hear myself think.
Leadership is a heavy burden to bear. All Starfleet captains carry it as best they can. I apologize for the inconvenience. Tuvok out.
I'm trying to rewrite hundreds of years of bad history, and the best he can do is uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. Unbelievable.
It's been more than 15 years since anything resembling rain fell to the surface of this barren rock. But I remember the rain. I remember it well. How it nourished the first fields we planted.
How the younglings used to catch raindrops on their tongues. How muddy the first paths we carved around our tents would become with each storm. How I hoped it might wash away my many sins.
Water droplets.
You're thirsty? I'll get it.
No. Water under the ground.
What are you talking about?
I saw it in my mind. He showed me. I know where it is. Where we must go.
Who showed you?
Delmonda. The Elborian.
Elborian? I've never heard of them. Starfleet has never encountered them. You spoke with him.
No, not exactly. I spoke and he answered in my mind.
So they are telepaths.
Delmonda wants us to survive. All of us.
He told you that.
No, but I know. Somehow I just know.
So what happens now?
Gather the others.
My lord! What are you doing?
Using my imagination.
But, Khan!
If I fall, tell my beloved wife that we were both from.
I am Khan!
I hear you in my head.
Your mind, not ours.
But you understand my words.
Difficult now will ease in time. Practice.
You are Delmonda. That is your name.
Yes, of Elboria. You shall not harm us, nor we you.
I have claimed this world for my people. You do not belong here.
Our ship, damaged. Entered system to make repairs. Sixth planet unstable.
Your ship was caught up in the explosion?
Lost orbital integrity.
Where is Elboria?
Many thousand light years. 2 of our spans have journeyed.
You cannot stay here.
Neither can you.
My people are my concern. You will take yours and leave this world.
If that is your wish.
That is my command.
You do not trust easily.
Why should I trust you? Why should I believe anything you say?
I will show you.
Joaquin, look out! Joaquin, look out! Weapons ready!
I didn't have to think very long to come up with these. They simply remained in my mind after hearing them for the first time. They're just some of my favorite sounding moments from Star Trek Con. Surely, if you listen to the whole show, you could find some of your own favorites.